Hi guys, welcome to Quebec Night. My name is Olahari and today we're talking about BTC analysis. So let's see how this is going to happen. Okay, so you guys know, as we all do on daily basis, we ensure that we do analysis on BTC to know where we are heading to. So if you're planning to trade towards the New York session, this is the best time to work on your analysis and see what it plays out by New York session, so that you ought to have start your planning by now. You understand? Okay, so let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I go to BTC. Okay, so this is on the 4 hours time frame. Don't forget, we do the top down analysis. So we are day traders, so we want to start from 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes. Yes, so if you're new and you probably don't know what we are doing here, this is an advanced class analysis for BTC, so that if you want to trade, you know how to go about it. Yep, so this is the 4 hours time frame. If you look at this, so we had this downtrend all the way. Can you see that? That's the downtrend, and here it seems we're trying to have like a U-turn from here. So it's usually called a reversal. Yes, can you see that? For some days now, BTC has been consolidating around this area here. So the reason why I say so is because it's not going further down. So here, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so the question is, where is the next step for BTC? Where is the next step for BTC? So let's see. So since this already looks like, this is not a double bottom, right? It will have been a different ball game if it was a double bottom. You'll have known that, okay, we're going this way. But here, BTC might still find it strong to push to the downside, like here, okay, to form that double bottom before heading straight to the upside. Probably we don't know what's going to happen for now, but we have to continue to guard our capital with proper risk management. So we do this. Maybe we'll go like this first. So let's see how that works. So let's bring our trend line. So from here, we come like this. Okay, or we come like this. Okay. So at least we've seen this. Let's go from here to here. So we've seen different breakout. Can you see that? Okay, that's a channel. So you can see that downtrend. It has already broken out of this downtrend. Can you see that? So this will also help us to understand the direction. So basically what we're looking at is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Okay, so let's put a very strong support here. So we can see clearly that from this arena here, okay, since BTC has climbed all the way here, BTC has not closed any candle below, right? That shows for us to consider a downtrend, BTC need to close below this line. Yes, need to close below that line. When BTC close below that line, then we consider BTC is coming back to this region, this zone, to test this zone, okay, before it continues back to the upside. Aside from that, if BTC close way below here, then we consider this trend will continue. I hope you understand that. Yeah. So as we speak, we are seeing an uptrend. Yes. So we've seen, even if you have to place your trade, then you go up like this, up all the way, then you place your stop loss somewhere here. So this is for my swing traders, okay, but for my day traders, the look is going to be very different. Yes. So if you are a swing trader, you probably want to place your entry at this time, Then you can dollar cost average down like this. There's a downtrend, but when the market is coming down, you don't dollar cost average until you see that positive trend, because if you place your trade at this time, you will be on minus. That's negative. Okay, so in as much as no candle is closing below this trend line, horizontal line, then there's a guarantee for you that as the market recovers up to the upside, you can continue to what DCA, dollar cost average, to the upside, right? This might apparently might take time, but at least at the end of the day, you come out with beautiful good profits that you are actually expecting. Okay, so let's stream it down. Let's go to 1 hour. What is 1 hour actually telling us? Let's remove this. This is for the swing traders. Okay, so you can see it's well protected. You see, so 1, 2. Now I still have the feeling that this trend is not moving fast enough. Okay, it's not moving fast enough. Yeah, it's supposed to have moved all the way to this place, but it's still, dragging feet, so it might still come and test this place. Okay, it's another probability. That's why you have to do DCA on the 4 hour time frame. But on the 1 hour time frame, let's properly analyze the 1 hour time frame so that we can have the best of the best results. Now on the 1 hour time frame, it still looks similar. Okay, they have similar. So you can see a lot of double top, double bottom here and there. So if you are on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, if you look at it, it's still an uptrend. Okay, the uptrend looks much valid, up like this. Okay, so you have to come close to your trade. Then if you place your entry, you can consider this as a double bottom for the 1 hour time frame. Can you see that? So you bring your trend line here, so that's your limit. So if BTC close below this trend line, you consider this as a loss if you are on the long position. Okay, if you place your trade now, you want to go all the way to this arena for take profit 1 and more. You can go take profit 2 and the likes. Now looking at this long entry is much valid, and I will tell you how to manage your risk. This is your limit. Always know your limit. Yeah, always know your limit. Don't accumulate too much losses, except you are a swing trader. Just as I explained on the 4 hour time frame, you already know your negative area where you want to dollar cost average. It simply means if you want to trade with $100 margin, you probably don't need to go in with all the money at once. You can enter with $10, then you dollar cost average down. You add the money gradually. Okay, so I think, yeah. Now if you look at this arena here, you see that this uptrend is just beginning. This uptrend is just beginning. So I think BTC is still coming to test this line maybe 2 or 3 times before the uptrend pushes well. And now for this market to push up, we need a very strong pullback. Okay, so let me show you. We need a very strong pull. No, we need to fill a lot of orders. If we push somewhere here down like this, boom, you'll see that momentum. That's how market gain momentum. It has to reverse. Okay, so it feels a lot of buy orders. It is those buy orders that will push the market to the top. So more people will join the trend to move to the upside so that we can achieve what we want to achieve. Or if that's not the case, then the market will be very sluggish, move slowly. Before you know it, it's pulling back, it's pushing forward, pushing back, pushing forward. And that is exactly not what we want. What we want is results. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, I already show you the entry. This is the entry already. Okay, now we have to take our time to analyze this. This is entry for the 1H, and this is the entry for 4H. Okay, but 4H has a lot of time. Okay, yeah, but for now we're still holding on to this. So let's move to 15 minutes time frame. Now 15 minutes time frame is actually when you identify the trend on the higher time frame, which is uptrend, right? If we've already seen a reversal here, then the lower time frame will give you entry. So let's see what we have on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, you really can spot you look at structures, you don't look at candles. On the higher time frame, you can look at candles, you can look at the formation of what the candles are really giving. But on the higher time frame, you look at structures. Candles doesn't really work, like hammer, marabuzu, all those candles, they really don't work, because if they tell you that morning star, the trend is going up, you see that the trend will be going down. You get what I mean? So it's better you go and spot candlesticks on the higher time frame. On the higher time frame. So that's it. So you can see what we have here. Yeah, after this downtrend from here all the way here, right? Then we have this. The question is this recovery up, pullback up? Okay, that's the question. And if that's the case, it simply means we are coming back here. You can see a very strong resistance somewhere here. Yeah, so we might experience another pullback around that area. Yes. So if you had not entered this trade from here, there's no point jumping into this place, right? So wait for that pullback. Maybe it can still bounce back on this trend line, then you can pick it up from here. Okay, don't jump into this line like this. That will probably stress you. You won't get the best of the best results. Yeah, so you can see that this is the neckline that BTC need to break. BTC doesn't break this neckline, you're going nowhere. You get what I mean? So that's it. So already you can see the double bottom. You can see that uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. You see here we have another pullback somewhere here, which validates this trend line. Then uptrend. We need that pullback so that we can get momentum to go to the upside. Momentum. So what we want to know is, where is the momentum? How do we get that push to the upside? Now the general bias is shorts. Okay, BTC is on a downtrend. That's the general bias. But for some couple of days now, BTC has been consolidating, just staying around the particular region, and that's why we are analyzing already. So as the general bias is downtrend, yeah, that simply means we can still push to the downside. But in terms of analysis, the trend upside, you can look at your entry, you can look at how you want to place your order and how you want to dollar cost average, which is the best way to trade. It's not advisable you go into your trade at once. Yeah, that's just the way it is. Just go in gradually. So currently I am on this trade. So let's see how the trade plays out. Hopefully BTC will break this 27,286, then we'll go to the upside. Okay, so let's see how that plays out. So guys, that will be it for this analysis for today. Today's date as 16th. Can you see 16th of May? Okay, so this analysis is valid for today. By tomorrow we are coming with another one. By tomorrow, so we'll see how that works. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.